Okay, there we go. Okay, so as you can all see, I am in, well, where is it? Mounts. Bat Swarm is one of the mounts that you can get. It's like 20% because it's one day I'm trying to get the perm, and you can get it from, there it is. This pack right here. Unfortunately, I only have enough for one pack to give, and that's not enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it. There's jump animation, as you can all probably hear. There's the bats going on. I did open up a few packs off camera. I did get a lot of housing items. I got 2 ghosts, which I put right here in the front. 2 of those I put in the front. So tomorrow I am going to post 2 different YouTube videos. One, I'm going to be opening, I don't know how many crowns on this account, probably like 5k, and then of crowns, and then on my life account I'm probably going to be opening up like 15k in crowns, just to see what I can get. So the only thing that I got, well, actually, I got on 2 different characters. One, I got, on my death, I got the pet on, like, the 2nd pack. My friend, Carrot, got the Vine mount on his 1st pack. And everybody on Twitter is, like, so jealous, including me, because I don't have, like, a new mount to show off. But at least I got a 1-day mount. It's better than nothing. I mean, it looks cool, but I really want the perm. So I started opening some packs on my life character. I only got the hat. Critical is like so overpowered. And then and the Headless Horseman spell is like really OP. I mean, I could see Death Wizards using that spell in PvP. Okay, I'm stuck. But yeah, I will upload 2 different YouTube videos tomorrow. I do like these new housing items though. They look really cool. But yeah, they look really good as pets, people have been saying. Do I have any other housing items that I can put down? No? Okay. Well, besides keys. And a tree. Which I'm definitely gonna put that somewhere. And put it right here. And then let me get off of this. I also... Where is it? No. Yeah, this is it. Sorry if you hear my phone vibrating. I also got this wand. But as you can all see, it's like all the other packs now these days. But with this one, it gets level 100. I'm still trying to get the max. 38 critical block, 11 plus balance damage, 11 and then 12 to myth damage plus 1 power pip chance, 3 cards in Maycash, chip spell. I mean, it's pretty okay wand, but I still use it. possibly for a look. But other than that, I don't need any of those. I know, like, almost some of you are, like, asking me to give them a pack, but right now I can only afford one pack for one person. Okay, let me go back into that. Let me lock it. Let me go to a house, that way you can actually see what the mount looks like. Because this is like really dark and you can't really tell the heck I'm flying in. But, well, invisible. I'm flying into bats, basically. I think this is a little bit better. Yeah, it is. It's a little bit better for me, but I don't know about for you all. So, that's what it looks like up close. I mean, when I first got it, I thought it was creepy. And I still think it's creepy, but I think it's pretty cool at the same time. I'm gonna take care of my plants while I am here. Okay, so this one needs sun and bees. This one over here needs water. And I heard like the Mirage bundle is gonna be like the same wand as the Halloween wand. But let me see something here. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's not that bad. It's not half bad or anything. No? Okay. You don't got anything for me? It's fine. And I think I got TCs as well. I'm not really 100% sure. Yeah, I did. And I did get my second slot for Shadow. So hopefully I can be out of Chrysalis by like level 106. I don't know, or something. Hopefully by soon. Let me go back to my death house. I'm gonna switch mounts. That way you all can see my character, and I do apologize. This YouTube video is gonna be a little bit long, but I need to post a YouTube video, so I'm not losing subscribers. Okay, let me go inside. Because I put some housing items inside as well. Got this cool looking pumpkin rug. And some other stuff. I started doing some little bit of decorating off camera. And then you got like this cool... What rug is this? Yeah, this cool cobweb rug as well. And some other, like, little decor. Okay, this pet finally hatched. Alright. Put you in there. Okay, there goes my phone again. It's vibrating. Just ignore that. Was that it? Was that everything that... Okay, why am I spinning around? I don't want to be. Let me check my bank before I end this YouTube video. No? Okay, nothing. I need to start clearing up my bank. It's all full. Yeah, so hopefully I get better luck when I'm recording and I don't get as much crap. Some of these pets I really don't know how in the world that I got them. Well, I remember the one-day mounts. Okay, so let's see here. Yeah, computers don't want to put that on. I think that was my neighbors, I don't know. Yeah, my neighbors are outside. I do apologize. But that was like really weird. Okay, let's see here. 12 minutes, that's good enough, I think. But, anyways, all, thanks for watching this YouTube video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. And, pack opening tomorrow. Tomorrow's recording. Where did I switch houses? And I will see you all next time. Well, actually tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.